Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the C90 Pro smartwatch. It is an Apple Watch clone in the Series 9 category, maybe 10. Okay, so on this video, we are going to connect it to our phone, particularly the Android smartphone. So we will pair it with its support app. So we will have a step-by-step process from downloading and of course connecting the C90 Pro smartwatch to the app. So if you are interested to see on how to pair it with its support app or how to connect it on your phone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and connect it to our phone. So this smartwatch is using the HiWear Plus application. So we have here the QR code of the app. It's also available in the smartwatch. Okay, let's check. Then if we're going to the settings, so where's our settings? We have here the settings. We have, I think, the QR code here. Download app, and we have the QR code, the HiWear Plus. Okay, in our case, we will try to search it on the Play Store. Okay, so let's go to the Google Play Store. Search the app. We already checked it earlier, and let's see. Okay, so we have here the HiWear Plus. Just search the keyword HiWear Plus. So this is the logo. Tap on install. Wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install the application on our smartphone. As you can see here, it has been downloaded and installed in our smartphone. So let's open the application. Open the app. We have here privacy policy and user agreement. Agree. So we have here our first permission. Allow HiWear Plus to access this device's location while using the app. Okay, allow. So this is for the Bluetooth call. Okay, you can allow it or deny. Allow. In our case, we will allow it. Then allow. Okay, so send you notifications. We can manage phone calls. Okay, if you're not going to use the notification feature as well as the Bluetooth call, you can deny the permissions. Okay, HiWear Plus. I have read and agree. Then you have an option to log in using your email or Google account. In our case, this is just a demo. We will log in directly. Then the account has been established. Let's wait for it. Okay. Then please take good care of your account and password. We'll set our profile. Mark and check. Okay, then set successfully. Please enable notification usage permission. Go to set, look for the app HiWear Plus, activate, allow, go back, then go to the My section, search device. So it is asking to turn on your Bluetooth. Allow it. Enabling Bluetooth connectivity. Then it is now looking for our smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the Watch Ultra, Watch 10, and TK25. So what is our smartwatch? I think it is the Watch 10. So go to the About section, general, then about. Okay, so we have the same Bluetooth address. Tap on watch 10, wait, connected successfully. As you can see here, we are paired successfully. Allow the Bluetooth connectivity for this smartwatch. Okay, pair, and we are connected. Let's see. Find device, and we have here the smartwatch. So everything is set here. If you're going to take a look at the settings, go to the device settings. You can enable some of the permissions here. Message reminder, you can also disable some of the apps here that you are not using. Alarm, you can create your own alarm here. Then we also have the drink water reminder, remote control selfie. Okay, you can also set the automatic heart rate monitoring as well as the 24-hour clock. You can change the language, as you can see here, and synchronize time. You can also have a factory reset. So let's add the phone book. Let's see if it will work. If we can add it to our smartwatch, everything is okay. Okay, we have set the Bluetooth call as well as message notifications properly. Okay, then synchronize. So synchronizing contacts. Let's see if this will switch to synchronization. As you can see here, it automatically changes to synchronizing mode. Let's check the dial, contacts, and we have here the phone number. So everything is okay here. We have set the C90 Pro smartwatch to the support app, the HiWear Plus support app on Android smartphone. So very easy to pair, very easy to connect. So if you have any questions regarding the setup, okay, the step-by-step process here of the C90 Pro connecting to phone, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.